There's a gang stalking tarot reader who changed her name countless times. Yet she's still running the same game, spinning narratives to antagonize the Queen of Wands. And as usual, screenshot attached. So just the other day, she put out another reading, trying to paint this Queen of Wands energy as someone who paid a huge amount of money just to be seen as dummy. One, the irony. Because I was just talking about another silent competitor who wants to be seen as smarter and better. So is this my projection? Of course not, you dummy. Two, this is a perfect example of smokes and mirrors. So as they say that I was paying people. But what tangible proof do we really have? It is the screenshot showing that the tarot readers are being paid. So if you see through this game, the individual who's paying these tarot readers is competing to be the victim here. 3. Now, if I'm supposedly your dumb villain, you claim I'm paying people? Well, that's a lie. Because I've never paid anyone. I was a caregiver at one point that became a nurse, and everything I get in life, I work hard for. I don't have that kind of money to throw away on nonsense. So tell me, how many more lies are you going to tell before you end up in jail?